After more than 180 missions and having impacted more than 200,000 individuals all around the island, Foundation for Puerto Rico is now shifting our impact model, and now with our big project for 2018, Bottom-Up Recovery Destination Initiative.
So we have chosen 3 pilot communities to develop and execute a comprehensive economic development and resilience program in these communities. We have chosen these communities because they already serve as destinations to many visitors in Puerto Rico, and they can potentially serve as an economic engine in several regions in Puerto Rico. We are hoping that this program can serve as a standard for economic development, community-based economic development programs in Puerto Rico.
We are working with local stakeholders across private and public sectors to create a coordinated destination plan and strategy to support deployment of resilient infrastructure like renewable energy and clean water systems, providing small business grants to help small businesses reopen, and to build local capacity to enable self-help initiatives led by local social leaders.
We have committed over $500,000 on each community. We have people on the ground working with local stakeholders, and we are going to be evaluating the impact of the program with a full report that will be releasing 6 months after the completion of the program.
We want to thank you and thank everybody that has donated and helped one way or another. We're very honored, grateful, and proud to have you as our partner. We now welcome everybody to continue to join us in our now rebuilding journey, because it is very important to remember that there's no future in rebuilding the past. Thank you.